To find Brightspace, on your search engine, type in brightspace.uos.ac.uk and click the link. This will take you to the Microsoft 365 University of Suffolk login page. Alternately, directly into the address bar at the top, type in brightspace.uos.ac.uk, hit return, and again, this takes you directly to the sign-in page. Here, sign in using your S number at uos.ac.uk. Click Next and enter your password. You have now arrived at the main Brightspace homepage. Here you can see your modules and some other icons that link to the Student Hub, announcements, and the calendar. We'll come back to these in a bit. Let's start at the top of the page. In the top left, you have the University of Suffolk logo. This appears on all of your Brightspace pages. By clicking this, you will arrive back here at this home page. As we move to the right, you have the waffle icon. If you click this, it brings up a list of all of your courses. There is a search box at the top, so you can type in the name of your module to find it. You can pin or unpin modules to make them easier to find. Once they are pinned, the pin turns black and they appear at the top of the list. Moving across, we have the message alerts icon. Here you will get alerts for instant messages or emails from Brightspace itself. This is different to your University of Suffolk email account. Here we have the subscription alerts icon. This will be utilized if you are subscribed to a discussion forum within a module, and it will notify you when there are new posts or replies. The update alerts bell. This will inform you if feedback has become available on your submissions or if new topics have been created. And then we have the Brightspace account profile. Here, you can update your profile, you can add in a photo, and various other features. The notification settings. Here, you can opt in to have additional email reminders. This is up to you to set. By default, these are mostly switched off. You should pop in here and have a look and decide what emails you want to subscribe to help you learn the best. Account settings. Click here to look at and alter some aspects of the account settings. Here, you can alter things around your pronouns, maybe font settings, and various other things within Brightspace. Have a look here to see how you can alter these settings to make Brightspace work for you the best. Let's come back to the main area and look at the Student Hub. By clicking here, you will jump into the Student Hub. Here is a list of all of the areas that will support your time at the University of Suffolk. By clicking any of these icons, you will be taken to a new page of more information. Here, you will find all of the policies, regulations, and information relating to your courses, university life, whilst you are here, as well as guidance and support for when you graduate. Announcements. Here, click the arrow to expand the widget, and you can see some of the announcements that are relevant to the module that you are in. Here, you can see the latest ones. Click this link at the bottom to see all of the announcements. Underneath, we have a calendar. Here you will see any upcoming dates that are relevant to you. Let's look at how you can find your modules. You have the option within the waffle menu to search, but you also have My Learning Spaces here on the left-hand side with tiles of all of the modules. There are headings across the top. You can scroll left and right, and you can filter using semester, or maybe those that you have pinned, or by selecting all. Use these as ways to find the module you're looking for. Click on a module to enter it. This takes you to your module homepage. On the right here, you can see some information about the digital attendance register. My study goal. Here you register your attendance at class. Below that are some announcements. You have updates of notifications that have come in, bookmarks, and some icons that detail your progress through the module. On the left-hand side, you have an activity feed. This may be used within your module to post announcements that you can comment and reply to. And underneath that is the calendar relating to specific dates within this module. Let's have a look at the nav bar at the top here. This differs slightly to that of the main page. Here we have content, assessment, communications, my Brightspace, and help. We'll come back to content in a minute. Let's look at assessment. By clicking this, it pulls up a menu. Here you can see the grades. These are the grades from all of the formal assignments within your module. Assignments. This is the area you go to submit your assignments and can also view the feedback. You have quizzes. These might be utilized within your module. Surveys may be used by your teaching team. Progress is a useful summary of your learning journey, and there are guidance and support for assessment and extenuating circumstances. The Communications tab. Here again, you can access all of the announcements, the calendar. There is a chat feature that may be utilized by your teaching team. You can see the class list of your classmates, the discussion forums, if these are utilized within your module, and also groups, again, may or may not be utilized by your teaching team. My Brightspace. Here, you have awards. These may or may not be used by your teaching team for this specific module. If it is used, this is where you will access the badges that are awarded. The e-portfolio. This is a personal portfolio tool for organizing and reflecting on and sharing items that represent your learning. This might be a mandatory part of your module or may just be an option for you to consider using. Help. Here are the links for your support for Brightspace and the IT Service Desk. Let's look at the content within the module. On the left-hand side is the content icon. By clicking this, it takes you to all of your learning content. This is where the magic happens. We encourage active blended learning, and here you will find all the resources and guidance that your teaching team has created to blend your in-person learning into the online environment. On the left-hand side, you will see all of the folders. When you click them, they will open to reveal the pages within them. When you click on these, the content of the page will be shown on the right. Here, you can use the bar or your mouse wheel to scroll up and down. Here, you will find guidance about your teaching team, the module, and the methods of assessment, alongside a host of other types of resources that your teachers have spent precious time in creating for you to help you through your learning journey. There could be recordings of your learning sessions, presentations and videos, podcasts, infographics, figures, tables, and maps. maybe some web links and downloadable resources, quizzes to test your learning, and discussion forums for you to post and reply to comments. Some modules will utilize Brightspace more than others, and if you ever encounter any problems accessing this information, please let your module leader know. Almost finished. If you want to return to your module homepage, click the title of your module. And we'll just finish up by clicking the University of Suffolk logo to return to your Brightspace homepage. Thank you for watching and listening. And for further information about Brightspace, please dip into libguides.uos.ac.uk.